Yes, you're here with BETV. We're here with Mr. Michigan. How are you this afternoon?
Feeling irate, giving thanks. E-Sips Reggae Festival. Just living it up backstage.
Enjoying the vibe?
Yeah, man, I'm loving it. I always love New York, so I'm enjoying it. I'm full enjoying it.
Yeah. How long have you been coming to New York?
No, man. New York, I'm second yard, so I'm never say nothing more about that.
Yes. So what could the people expect from you now that they're talking to you? Let's talk to the people.
Well, I perform already.
Yeah.
It was great. We give them some songs of the yesteryears and we give them something new and we give them something futuristic so them get everything, a balance.
Okay, so what can they expect after this from you? Any other performances?
Yeah, man, definitely. When I leave here, we go Seattle, then California, then Mexico, then we come back to the United States, to Florida and Dallas and all over. We're on tour.
And what's your date so that people can know when they want to come and see you?
Well, you just have to follow me. On my Facebook, on my Instagram, and it's on my Snapchat, Papa Michigan. Just follow
everyone
me.
got that.
Just follow me.
Papa Michigan. Instagram, Facebook, and the Twitter?
Twitter, all over.
Okay, so we're here at Mr. Michigan. Big up BETV.
BETV are the real TV. It's Michigan. Original from Kingston, Jamaica. The land of reggae music, woodland culture. Up the celestial, yeah, man.
Legendary. Thank
Yeah, man.
you.
Give thanks, yeah?